Chick. Hey guys, it's Glen Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages. How are you? I've got a great review for you today. This is $0 Profits by Don Zoko, I believe you pronounce her name. Zoko. I've actually promoted another product of hers that did quite well for me. Anyways, this is called $0 Profits, and profits is with a Z. So $0 Profits review, and we're going to get into it this way. We're going to look at my bonuses. We're going to look at the sales page. We'll go into the back office. I'll show you what she's showing you. Basically, in a nutshell, if you don't know what it is, she's got a really great training on how to do affiliate marketing for basically free. There's no cost. She shows you every way to do it if you have zero money starting out, which is very, very cool. So it's a really, really great, great product for beginners and newbies. So first off, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's jump over to my bonuses, and I'll show you the bonuses here. Let me bring on the screen. Oh my word, my bonus page is gone. Where did it go? It's a black screen. Wouldn't that be crazy if it just disappeared, just like that? That's very odd. Hold on, guys. I might have to pause this for 1 second to see what's going on here. Oh, I've got an unresponsive page. Hold on. Okay, guys, sorry about that. The page is back. So here we go. Let me jump over to it. So this is $0 Profits. This is my bonus page. We'll scroll down. We'll come back to you know, what you get with it and all the stuff and the prices on that. So the first bonus we're going to give you is worth $427. Attraction marketing. Bring people to you rather than going after them. I've been doing attraction marketing for about 7 years now, guys, and it works. You create interest, you create content, and people come to you. Social media marketing boost. You're going to get a full copy of that. We're going to get you the Viral Marketers Official Blueprint. This is just a really great marketing guide on really helping you wrap your head around how you're doing it. We're also going to give you the lost code. This is Brennan Mace. This is sold 25,000 copies, I think. We're going to get you that for free. How to turn $13 into $4,762 per week with the lost code. And we're going to get you also 0-hour work days. So you will be able to do the 0-hour work days. And if you don't want to pick up Dawn's product, go ahead and grab this for free. Download my free 6-figure blueprint. You just click on the thing right here, and you can just click it, grab it, or you can click on the image right there. Okay, let's go over to the this is the back office, I believe, and this is the sales page. So Dawn does pretty simple sales page. There's not a lot of fluff. Like a lot of the sales pages that I review have a lot of sort of fluff on them. This doesn't. She's just like saying, this is what it is, guys. It's the world's fastest and easiest breakthrough for automated commissions from free traffic and our fast track software. So there's a little video here. You can watch that, sort of explaining a little bit about it. Click here, join the earner board. Even if you've never made a dime online before this, it drives autopilot. It drives to autopilot track commissions in just 4 easy steps. So you're going to search your niche. You're going to get your done for you content, all done for you. You're going to submit it to the free traffic sources, and you're just going to rinse and repeat. And this is basically a very, very simple system. Now, the prices on it, where are the prices? Let me see if they're on. Where did I put them? On the bonus page here. I keep going back to that bonus page, and it keeps going to black screen. I got to figure out what's going on with it. Let's go back up to the top here. Yeah, it's very slow loading. If you get to the page, guys, just give it a minute to let it load. I don't know why it's loading so slow. Key benefits. Okay, let me go find the prices for you here. And okay, it took a little digging to find those prices, but I have them for you. This is the back office, just so you guys know. So it's very simple. It's very simple, clean. The videos are very short, so it's really easy for a beginner. But basically, for just the front end, for the basic training is $12.95, and then for the done for you content, the OTO, the very first one is $67, and then there's And there's a downsell on that. So if you go to scroll off, you can get it for $47. So definitely pick that up, guys. So get the training for $13, get it done for you for $47. Then there's another OTO, which is 7-figure mastery, and that sells for $197. But if you scroll off, the downsell, it looks like it's $98. So you get $100 off that. And that's the CB marketing. And then for the OTO3 is the that looks like it's the ClickBank marketing secrets. That's $197, and you get that for a downsell for $97. So altogether, guys, if you bought the whole funnel, it would cost you $13, 80. Let's see, 47. So 13, 50, 60, $260, and you could have the full-blown training on how she is making a boatload of money using these free methods. So this is a really good investment. A really simple training. I went through some of it today. Oops, on my screen here. I went through some of it today. Really, it's really concise. It's simple to follow, and it's really, guys, it just takes a few minutes to put what she has in practice into the thing. She's got a welcome video here. She'll sort of welcome you, and then she's got some really cool bonuses in there, and grab your bonuses. So let me jump back on here. There we go. All right, so what do I think about $0 profits? Well, you know me, if you know my channel, I actually prefer info products like this that teach you how to do something over sort of the one button marketing suites. Not that those aren't good and you can use those, but really it's the difference between giving a man a fish or giving a person a fish or teaching someone to fish. Like when you teach someone to fish, when you really give someone their, give them the tools that they need in order to work, well, that's going to make them money for time and time again. Now, if you give them a software that, a lot of times they won't set it up, they open it up, they won't set it up, they don't want to work on it because they don't understand the process. And I get so many emails every day, and thank you guys, but I get so many emails where people just don't understand how money is made online. Guys, it's affiliate marketing. You get an affiliate link, you send traffic to it. Traffic just means people. You get people to that link. If somebody likes that link and they buy it, you make a commission. And you get paid from Warrior Plus or from JVZoo or from ClickBank or wherever you have gotten your affiliate link from. You just go get the affiliate link and you send traffic to it. That's basically it. How you send traffic to it, there's a million ways to do it. You can make posts on Instagram. You can make videos on TikTok. You can do review videos like this on YouTube. You can write blog posts. The best way I found is to send people an email saying they should look at this or they should buy it. That's it. So go grab $0 profits. I think it's really worth it, especially if you're just a beginner or if you've been doing this for a while and you can't wrap your head around it. And you're kind of like, I've bought all these programs, but none of them seem to work. Go get this and actually learn what Dawn is teaching you. I think you're going to have some really great success with it. You will learn the process this way. So again, this is $0 profits review walkthrough tutorial. Definitely click go to the bonus page below. If it's not for you, then go grab my 6-figure blueprint. Also on the bonuses, guys, if you want to jump on a Zoom or a Skype call with me for half an hour just to kind of get your head wrapped around it, just message me, drop a comment below and say, hey Glenn, when can we hook up a time? Let's get on the phone and see if we can get you at least started in the right foot. All right, guys, have a great night. Again, this has been $0 profits tutorial, or actually review, the $0 profits review tutorial demo, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Oh, get out of here.